Yo, ready shallow na on the ground. 3, 2, 1, shallow na. Kill this guy on the ground, kill this guy. Yo, come south is a bit. Ano yun?
File.
Come south is.
Yo, come back, don't go deep.
Yo, hold there. Yo, keep healing guys, keep healing. Heal me gachan. Yo, hold there.
Naka-engage na sila.
Yo, tanks hold them, okay? Tanks hold them. Yo, heals in the front. Incense.
Nag-engage na.
Anyari sa inyo? Nag-pre-engage kayo eh. Yo, get ready shallow. Yo. Shallow on the crown. Wait. Shallow now on 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Kill this guy on the crown. Nice. Hold there. Come south is a bit. Come south is a bit. Yo, shot. Tanks, yung ano, siege boost sa southwest. Deep in up. He's in the front, guys. He's in the front. Keep walking southeast. Walk southeast, guys. Keep walking southeast. 5 seconds, okay? Keep walking southeast. Cue the guy in surpass. Yo, look northwest now. Come northwest. Look northeast in 3, 2, 1, notice na on the ground, it's big. Kill this guy on the ground, nice. Brawl inside the pass, brawl, keep rolling. Spread them brawl. Come north, guys, come north, push to north. Come north, guys, heal here. Yo, come here, spread them brawl, keep rolling. 5 seconds, wait gauge, okay? 5 seconds. Keep walking on brawl, guys, keep walking, spread now, they have engaged. Yo, look southeast in 3, 2, 1, southeast now on the ground. Kill this guy on the ground. Nice. Spread on it. Spread. Deep in up. Heal. Keep healing. Spread now. Spread. Yo, look. Everyone, look in the ground now. DPS. Yo, keep rolling. Yo, look in the ground now in 3, 2, 1. On the fucking ground now. It's big, guys. Hit on me. Oh my god. Don't have DPS. Oh. Run. Bilis mamatay na. Puta ka na kasi binibigyan ng pre-engage sa front eh.
Walang healer, boss.